store, and I got this Stitch, a blind box, and I really want the secret. Then I really want that one, that one, that one, that one,
Anyone
and that one, except from this one. I hate this one. Okay, okay, let's open it. I'm opening it. Yeah, it doesn't work like that.
Oh my god. Does it have a card inside?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay.
Let me look at it first. You turn around.
No, I'm going to show it to you guys first. I'm going to show it to the camera first. I need to find out.
It's there. It's
Oh,
there.
that's not. It's not.
It is.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not going to show you. Which one did I get, guys?
No, you can't see it.
Oh, which one did I get? I got the pizza one! The one that I didn't want! Yay!
Is that actually the one you didn't like?
Yeah, you stupid thing.
It's okay, you still like it.
Yeah. Well, what's wrong with it? And it actually looks kind of good at camera, to be honest. I mean,
You shouldn't wash his face.
can't remember.
Okay, so we also got a few more things. So first, I got, well, where's your bag? Oh yeah. So first, we got these anklets. So
Wait, let me show mine.
I got this one. And it's got like a little seashell on it to go on your ankle.
Okay, wait. So this is mine. Wait, let me show you.
She got that one.
Is you can't even see it. It's like this really cute pink gem, and it has like that little heart.
And then, oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. I got this towel squishy. Okay, let me just open it.
But the one I flipping didn't want.
It's just rough.
No, it's not.
Life's not fair.
Like, look, there's like all of these options, and then I got the one that I freaking didn't want. It says
Right.
that it's supposed to be green.
This is the worst flipping towel squishy
Can I
I've
move
ever
it?
felt in my life. It's because there's like, it came with like these like,
Guys, all of our things were a fail today. Wash it.
okay, come on.
Oh, yeah, open it. Wait, that's it.
I'm gonna wash it. Okay. And also guys, if you haven't
Watching
seen our
it.
Sephora haul, you should definitely go watch that.
I think, yeah, I put on private. But you don't talk about that. Like our nails.
Well, I took mine off because they were like, yeah. If you check out the private Sephora video, then you can see them.
I don't think you can see it. It's only up to me.
Okay, so it's off
It does look better now?
What?
The thing.
Your daddy.
Hey, besties.
Okay, so that's the end of our video.
Our stupid little... I'm going to throw it down the sink.
No, no, you just need to wash its freaking face.
Oh, it has like something.
And also, guys, have you seen our fit today?
No.
Like, wait, let me just show them. I can start putting it. Show them.
Okay.
This is our fit. So I have this subdued skirt, this subdued top. She is, let me show you. Okay, go stand on there. She has the subdued skirt with this Converse top.
Okay. So, and then I have this ugly little thing, the one I didn't want.
Like, we thought it was a secret, but I
Yeah,
guess
but I
not.
got this stupid one that I really didn't want.
Bro, that was the one that she hated, bro.
That's my luck, guys. That's my luck.
My luck is terrible.
Look, I've seen that trend. Like, you don't know good to face the camera up. I don't think I changed. Okay, so bye, guys. Thank you for watching with this ugly little creature.
Bye.
Okay, bye, guys. Love you.
Daddy.
Brisky, I'm trying to